Yo, we are live. We are live. Let's go.
What's up, everybody? All right, so today it's the Olympus Academy, and it's Chen Yu over here and Yongting.
Hey, yo, man. Hi.
Yeah, what's up, guys? So we are back with another live video, and this week will be yet another very interesting week because it will be just after FOMC and NFP week. So without further ado, let's delve right straight into the charts, and I'll be talking about Euro USD, and Yongting over here will be talking about gold.
Yes, yes.
Yep. Yep. So without further ado, let's look at Euro USD on the daily time frame. So we can see on the daily time frame, last week actually made a actually came price actually came down further to about 0.975 region, and then it actually like literally flew all the way back up and is now hovering around 0.996 at parity about one. So this the reason for this fly and for the reason for this move was because on Friday NFP results came out to be positive for the employment. However, the unemployment rate actually dropped. Actually increased, and that actually led to a and that increase in unemployment rate actually led to the sentiments in the market to improve, and that's why the USD actually depreciated and the euro appreciated, and we can see that price actually is heading up as of current price action. And if we go down to the 4 hour time frame, on the
Okay.
4 hour time frame, we can see the very large bullish movement in price ever since the 4th of November, which is a Friday, and that was the NFP day. And currently, price is still showing signs of heading up. And if we were on the 4 hour time frame, we can see the very bullish structure over here with the break of structure overall on the 4 hour time frame coming in at 0.99953. So the area there was a break of structure, and on the 4 hour time frame, and we can expect to see price continue its bullish trend unless there's some kind of reversal, signal that price is showing us, or we are seeing some kind of liquidity being cleared on top and a lot of impulse for the bearish side. But as of right now, price is definitely still bullish. And if you were to go down to the 1 hour time frame, let's look at a 1 hour time frame. We can see at a impulse at about 0.981 to about 0.988. That entire area, there's a lot of fair value gaps, and there's also a lot of market inefficiency. And we believe that price, in order for it to move further up, we believe these areas have to be taken out first before moving back up. So that is something that me and Yongqing will be actively eyeing and actively keeping a lookout on. And that is it for the 1 hour time frame. And we can also see that price on the 1 hour time frame, it is trying to inch back up, and it's at about 0.993 right now. So if you were to go down to the lower time frame, let's talk about the 15 minutes time frame. Yep, let's talk about 15 minutes time frame. And if we can look at price at the current price, it is forming higher highs and higher lows, and that is the most factual evidence that we have that price is still bullish. And I mean, as of right now, it might be too late to take onto any longs. I mean, it is still possible, but we will be staying clear of the market just for today, and we would like price to actually stabilize and settle down first on a Monday, especially. And we'll be looking for setups that's happening on Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday. So that would be it for Euro USD. Chen, you have anything to add on?
Ah, yes. Back on the 1 hour charts. I'm sure me and Chun we actually have the same area. That's why we are saying that it's too late to take longs. It's because at the moment, Euro has actually cleared the liquidity at the top at around 0. Actually, it's 1.0, the parity area. Let's take it as the parity area.
Yep.
So price actually cleared quite a few. So I'll mark it out on the charts. Quite a few liquidity hotspots were taken out. So price is currently at the area. So if you're looking for a long right here, it's pretty dangerous. Price could reverse back down,
Mhm.
or you can go back up. But if you are going back up, upwards, I would rather wait for price to tap into the fair value gap on the H4 chart that's located at 1.00441.
Yep.
So the area is a possible area where we can safely search for a possible short. So obviously we have to go into the lower time frames, have our confirmations, else no setups as usual.
Yes,
So yeah, that's all for my side on Euro for today. It's very slow market today, man.
it is. It is a very the entire movement for Asian, but for the Asia session and for the London session has been quite slow.
Yeah. But it's fine. Hope tomorrow got more volatility.
Yes. So shall we head right to gold?
Sure. Have a okay. Let's take a look. So yeah, looking at gold on the daily charts, there's actually quite a few fair value gaps at the upside along the 1684 area and at the 1700 area.
Hmm?
So yeah, looking at these areas, I think I just marked it out. I've already marked it out on the charts. So these are the daily fair value gap, and there are two. So yeah, just we are just expecting price to possibly tap into those areas before we look for possible shorts.
Yep.
So we are just scalping. We are scalpers. We are not what do you call it? Swingers. We don't really swing that much. So yeah,
Oh
going
yeah.
back down to the 4 hours. Okay, this area is a bit messy. So yeah, there's nothing much. There's not much movement. Gold seems to be trying to head back up to clear all the liquidity hotspots at 1684, and that's we are just waiting. But the market is very slow. And
Yeah.
just to note, for those retail traders, if you are looking at the H4 charts, there is a double bottom. So there's a W formation. Just in case you guys are interested.
Yep. And we are looking at that right now, and there's, I mean, right at the bottom of that double top, I mean double bottom. There's a lot of liquidity building up there, as we can tell
Yes.
on the H4 chart.
So actually, the to add confluence to what Chen Yi has just mentioned, looking at the H1 charts. So looking at the H1 charts at the price level of 16666.35, there is a H1 fair value gap. So liquidity might be building up there. Go back down, tap, and before it hits up further. It's just possibility. We are just throwing ideas out. This is just a analysis session. There's no live trades at the very moment.
Yes.
So yeah, is there anything that you would like to add on, Chen?
I think that for gold, I mean, currently price is very unstable. We don't know where it's gonna move and where it's gonna hit up to or hit down to. So I think right now for gold, we just have to wait it out. And if price were to go back to 1653, we can maybe look for some longs. And of course, there's ways the approach of selling to buying, right? So what I mean by that is that we sell the market now in anticipation for price to retrace down to 1653 and then we long it. However, of that's a very viable trade idea and option that we can do, right? But then we want to make sure that all our confluence is at play over here before we take on something risky, and especially since it's also a Monday, we want to take it chill and take it slow as well. So I'm not saying that there's not gonna be no trade ideas. Of course, there are definitely trade ideas that you can take, but just be more careful of the market. At the end of the day, it's all about managing your risk and controlling your downside. So that's what we are trying to do right now.
So yeah, that's about it. Nothing much today. It's a fairly relaxed Monday. Yeah. So yeah, just remember to follow Chen Yu on his TradingView accounts. I'll send the link to the chats.
Yep.
Chen Yu TradingView accounts. Wow, 26 followers already. Growing fast, man. So he
Yes.
posted quite a few. He posted quite a few outlooks. You guys can take a look. So his latest outlook, I will send it to chats too.
Yes.
So he actually posted on Euro dollar on the H4 charts. Very nice. Price tapped into his price inefficiency that he presented. So yeah, pretty nice there. Also, don't forget to follow my account too. It's under DogeStonks. I'll send it to the chats also.
Yes.
And our Instagram, it's at the Olympus Academy. I'll send it to chat too.
Yep. So we really hope that you guys can give us a support and a shout out as well, because it means a lot to us. And in the future, if your follow actually allows us to develop into something much bigger, we'll definitely be able and we'll be willing to provide you with more services in the form of maybe mentorships or maybe more outlooks, more trade ideas, right? So do stay tuned for more. Me and Chen, we are definitely thankful for every likes that we can get. So thank you guys.
Yeah, especially since we are so small right now. Once we are bigger, I'm sure we will definitely remember those who came by early on.
Yep.
So yeah, let's play the outro. Okay, that's about it. Bye guys.
Bye guys. See
Bye
you
bye.
tomorrow, man. See you tomorrow, guys.
Okay, stay safe trading. Bye.
Stay safe trading. Bye.